well. Ma'am, did you subscribe my channel?
You didn't tell me about your channel, like channel name. I'll definitely just go after the session and subscribe.
Yes, ma'am. My channel name is English with Suman. If you go to EnglishYaari, YouTube channel, then you will easily get.
Oh, hi Suman, how are you? How are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. And how about you? How have you been?
I am doing good. How was your day?
Ma'am, it was lovely, pretty day because rain are going on in our state and in our city also. Good
Okay,
evening, ma'am.
okay.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, and so like are you okay, so today was Sunday, so how did you spend your Sunday? Tell me a little about that since there is, a great weather and then weekend also. So how did you spend your weekend?
Actually, ma'am, nowadays I'm staying home with my parent, and we are also enjoying each other whole day. And today my off day, so that's why most of the time I talk to others. And because I told you I have many friends, more than 25. Yeah, and there are many
Oh,
friends already joined English Yari. So I am very
yes, yes.
excited. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and there are many friends also want to join. They are very excited. First of all, I uploaded your session in my YouTube channel. And ma'am, I uploaded 5 to 6 video in my YouTube channel, and most of the viewers views your videos.
Oh, that's wonderful.
More than, ma'am, more than 180 approximate,
Oh
around
my God.
200.
Okay, okay. And I took several demo sessions, and like just when I was having their normal introduction, they told me that they like you referred them this platform. Like one of the name I can remember, one of the names that I can remember is Indu Bala. She
Yeah,
she
she's my friend, and she belonged to Himachal Pradesh.
right. And one more session I took several days before. I think it was Satpal.
Yeah, Satpal Indian Army.
Yeah. So he also told me about you, that you
Oh,
guys keep practicing
yes, ma'am.
together.
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. That's nice that you are practicing apart from the sessions also. So
So
that's really.
everyone shared my name.
Yes, like most of the demo sessions that I took, we just ask a normal to have a normal introduction about them. Then they told me that, they have been referred through you.
And
So I
Bintas,
immediately told them this, yes, I have taken your session. I know you.
yeah, Bintas also, took your session. I think yesterday 9 o'clock. Before yesterday 9 o'clock, he
Who?
called Bintas Singh. Bintas Singh. He's the
Yes,
elder.
yes, yes. Yes. He also had a session with me.
Yes, ma'am. He also lived in um, which part belong?
He lives in Gujarat, Surat.
He live
I
in Gujarat.
remember.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, just you can imagine. I have many friends, and they belong to Indian different kind of state.
That's
Yes.
nice. That's like people from different states, different cultures. It's always exciting to talk to them because we get to know a lot of things. We can explore among ourselves. And if
Yes.
we keep on talking to the people from our city itself, then it becomes a boring task at some point of time, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's why, ma'am, I rotated voice call, each other, because how to possible one time 25, friend, how to is possible. So that's why every day I talk to each other more than 6 to 7%. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So like for how long do you talk to one
Uh,
person?
One person, ma'am, I talk to one person minimum 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So
Oh my
approximate in a
God.
yeah, approximate in a day, I talk to each other more than 4 to 4.5 and
5 hours.
5 hours. Yes, ma'am. Because I know very well
Okay.
practice is key of success.
Exactly, exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you, you tell me, Suman, have you observed any change, from your as compared to your first day and now considering this session? Have you noticed any change in you?
Yes, ma'am. It's very high. It's very high change because there are so many friends told me, Suman Das, when you joined EnglishYaari as a first time, and as compared to right now you are going. I mean to say you are able to speak English. So we are appreciate you. After one day, definitely you will achieve your goal because you are very hardworking person. So I hope you will achieve your goal very soon.
Yes, and like what I can notice in you is that you have become very confident now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Because initially the learners struggle to find words, struggle to speak the entire sentence at a good speed. But now, though you are making some grammatical errors, though your choice of words is a little, wrong, but you are very confident. So that is also, a major aspect that you should consider in your progress.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's only one reason because I talk to each other continuously. So that's why
Yes.
confident are growing day by day. But ma'am, I want to ask you a question. When I talk to others, that time without hesitation I talk to each other. But when I make video in front of camera, so I'm not properly able to speak English, and that automatically hesitation, come my mind. How to remove that kind of hesitation during conversation time in front of camera?
Okay, see what happens is that while we are on camera, while we are being captured, we become conscious. We, automatically have that thing in mind that people are going to judge us. So when we, constantly think about certain things that we are being judged, we'll be judged, people will be embarrassed. So that those things, what they do is they hamper our confidence. And while you are talking to other people, you might be talking with them on audio call and not on video call, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are right. Yes, yes,
So,
ma'am, you are right.
what happens is that while now that we are talking through video, so you want to look presentable, you want to look confident also, and you want to display that you are very correct. But what happens during the audio call is that okay, we are moving in the room, we are just going for a walk, and then we are talking. We are so we are not at all
So
conscious,
cool.
so
Yes,
relaxed,
ma'am.
we are so comfortable about everything. Okay, whatever is happening, he's just listening to me. He can't see me. So that is what,
Yes.
brings more and more confidence in us. So that confidence you have to transfer while you are being connected through video also. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. And ma'am, when I joined English Yaari, at that time I also started, making video with in front of camera. But as compared to right now, I have more, confident, and I'm very happy to because right now confidently today I talk to you. So I'm very happy as compared to other day. When I joined English Yaari first day. So, ma'am, I'm very happy because today continuously I talk to you confidently.
That is because you kept with the consistency. You followed each day. You followed practice. You consistently practiced. That now
Yes, ma'am.
you are so much dedicated towards becoming a confident speaker. That is why. Because you have that goal in mind that okay, I need to talk to 5 people at least daily. Only then will I be able to achieve my goal. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is what is motivating you and helping you to become a confident speaker.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when I joined, ma'am, office, so that's why many senior humiliated uh, because my English is very poor. I could not make proper sentences. So that's why, ma'am, I decided anyhow I'll able to speak English, because after one day I'll call them, and then I'll share my YouTube link. N- Now, now at least I
That's
am able to
nice.
speak English. Yes, ma'am.
Sharing your result is better than letting them know that you are learning something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And
Okay, yeah, go on. Yeah.
continue. Go ahead, ma'am. Go
I
ahead.
was saying, I was saying that Suman, just remember whenever you are talking about some things which have already happened, use the past tense, and some things which are going on or will happen future
Continue.
and for yes, like for future if you are talking use future tense, and if you are talking about current scenarios use present tense. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, but ma'am, mostly I use future tense and mostly I use past tense. So how to make present tense sentence? I'm not properly make present indefinite tense, subject plus s or es plus verb. I can't make that kind of sentence. So which way
For
I'll go, then I achieve our goal. Then I will achieve. Then I will make correct sentence.
Okay, so for example, if I generally ask you, what do you eat in your breakfast normally? So you'll tell me, I eat toast. So this is a simple present tense because that action happens regularly. It is a routine action. For routine actions, we always prefer, like we always use simple present tense.
Today I
Okay?
take. Today I take breakfast.
No, that's wrong.
Okay. So ma'am, how to make sentence past indefinite tense? Actually, I want to make past
Like
indefinite tense.
if if you want to talk about something that you ate today, in your breakfast, you'll say, I ate omelette in my breakfast today.
Okay, I
Non
ate in my
simple. Yes.
breakfast today. Today.
I ate omelette or I ate whatever in my breakfast today.
But ma'am, eat and ate. Eat past form, ate second form.
Right. And
But
eaten third form.
yes, but I don't want to make past indefinite tense. I want to make past. I want to make present indefinite tense.
I eat
Yes, ma'am. I eat. I
for
eat.
see, simple present tense is used for scenarios which are happened on a regular basis, which happen on a regular basis. For example, I go for a walk daily. I go for a walk at 5 in the morning. So this would mean every day you go for a walk at 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Is it making sense? Are you able to
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
things?
I understand. So most of the
Okay.
time I confused, subject plus verb plus s or es. So I'm little bit confused.
That will go away with practice.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And ma'am, today topic is made in India.
Yes.
But ma'am, right now I am still learner. So if I talk about general conversation, and after 1 year, 1 month later, I will start topic wise conversation. It's best for me, I think, ma'am. What's your opinion?
Yeah, that is why, I don't immediately bring the learner to the topic. I try to have general conversations. I try to pick topic scenarios from his or her life, so that because that is more engaging for you rather than talking about a specific topic.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, first day I talked to tutor topic wise, so that time I faced many obstacles. So
Because
after that I felt no. After 1 month and 2 months continuously, I'll speak general conversation with my tutor. Then I will move on. I'll then I will discuss about topic.
Right. Because in order to talk about a certain topic, you need to have points. Like you need to be aware of that environment. You need to have points. And a learner who doesn't speak English properly in the beginning, he will take forever, almost forever to think
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then present his ideas properly.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, um, um, which kind of question I asked? So, ma'am, how was your day?
My day was like it was nice. I had a function to attend. So I went there. I reached home by evening. I enjoyed a lot there. And then I just went for a nap. And then I ate my dinner. And now I'm taking session.
So, how many session you took today?
Around 5 to 6 sessions I normally have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you are enjoy a lot with your parent because today is
Yes,
Sunday.
yes. Sunday
Okay.
also, and I had a function also to attend. So, like, it was a superb day.
Okay. So, ma'am, which kind of its function? Which kind of function you are attended?
Actually, it was a lunch party. Like,
Oh,
all the families had uh, decided for a get together after a long time. We were meeting after a long time. So, we had fun talks and we played some games, we danced, and then we went for lunch together.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask you a question. Actually, your English is so good. So, I want to ask you a question. What's your medium? It's Bengali medium. It's a Hindi medium. Um,
I am a
it's
North Indian. I am a North Indian. I studied in English medium school right from nursery. And then
CBSE board.
my college is all ICSE board.
ICSE board. Okay. So that's why, ma'am, your
We
English
had
is
to pay, yeah, we had to pay huge sum of money as fine if we even uttered a single word in Hindi. So our teachers were super strict with us right
oh my
from the
God.
beginning. Like
Oh,
5 rupee per word, 5 rupee per word. So
but
like if we speak a sentence which has 20 words, so just calculate the amount we had to pay for a single sentence. And like we had to literally pay that amount, otherwise our parents would be called in the principal office.
ma'am, how to pay them? Lots of money.
Yes, so like that was their agenda, that was their funda to, make us
Learning.
confident speakers.
Okay.
Yes,
And same like actually I paid more money for English Yaari. So that's why I have a junoon. I have a courage. Anyhow, I will able
you
to
have
speak
that.
English because I spend more
Exactly.
money for learning purpose. So yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
And
This happens, this gives us motivation.
yes, ma'am. And time is and ma'am, time is more important as compared to money. So most of the valuable, part in time. And
Exactly, time never comes back.
you cannot buy time.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Suman, do you have anything else to say as we have reached to the end of our session?
Actually, ma'am, you know very well. Ma'am, did you subscribe my channel?
You didn't tell me about your channel, like channel name. I'll definitely just go after the session and subscribe.
Yes, ma'am. My channel name is English with Suman. If you go to EnglishYaari, YouTube channel, then you will easily get. And ma'am, can I upload this session in my YouTube channel, today's session?
Yes, you can definitely, but do give the credits, okay? In the like either
Yes, ma'am.
mention it in the subtitle or in the description box.
Yes, ma'am. I will mention your name, tutor with Kushi, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Nice to talk to you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am. Good night.
Same here, same here. Good night, take care.